Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to freeze panes in Excel or how to freeze the rows or columns in Excel sheet. So let's start the tutorial. If I scroll down, see my name is Charan is going up. Even if I scroll sideways also, the columns, if I move columns also, the A column is not moving. It's freezer. I have freezer the column wise as well as row wise. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Notice on my Excel sheet, in the sheet 1 contains no data. So here I am adding some data in A1 cell. My name is Charan. So double click the A column here. So now you can see clearly my name is Charan. Suppose if I want to scroll down, notice the my name is Charan is not visible. But my aim is I want to visible this A1 cell, this row, the first row. I want to freeze that one. So even if I scroll this bar, I want to visible this my name is Charan. So let's do that one, how to freeze rows or panes in a Excel sheet. Notice on the menu bar there is a view here. Click the view. Under view there is a window option here. Inside this window there is a freeze panes. Open that one. Freeze top row. Select that one. That's it. Notice here we got one highlighted one line here. Now when you scroll down, see my name is Charan is visible. Even if you check, the columns are not visible, but we are only freezing the rows only, but I want to freeze a column also. So now this time I want to freeze the column. So unfreeze the pane. To freeze, again go to freeze panes. To freeze a column, freeze first column. Now see here, I have freezed the first column, but when I scroll down, the row is moving up, but I have not freezed the row. So to freeze both rows and columns, select the B2 cell. I have selected the B2 cell. So the above cell, the rows and columns will be freezed. Go to freeze panes, that's it. See here we got the line is appeared here. Now if I scroll down, see my name is Charan is going up. Even if I scroll sideways also, the columns, if I move columns also, the A column is not moving. It's freezer. I have freezer the column wise as well as row wise. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to freeze panes or rows and columns in Excel sheet. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.